Hey guys, welcome to Trade in the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis, episode 30 for week ending May 1st, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was up 1.2%, closing at $738.20. It traded between a small range at its lows of $732 to its highs of $749. In after hours, Tesla reported Q1 earnings and is down 2.5% to $719.85. They beat expectations handily, buoyed by sales of Bitcoin and regulatory credits, but the stock dipped as much as 3% after hours as investors digested the numbers. Tesla reported earnings of 93 cents per share versus 79 cents per share expected. Revenues came in at $10.39 billion versus $10.29 billion expected, up 74% from a year ago. Net profit reached a quarterly record of $438 million on a GAAP basis, and the company recorded $518 million in revenue from sales of regulatory credits during the period. It also recorded a $101 million positive impact from the sales of Bitcoin during the quarter. Tesla says it expects more than 50% vehicle delivery growth in 2021 overall, which implies minimum deliveries around 750,000 vehicles this year. On the call, they also reiterated Musk's frequent claim that cameras, not radar, are a better path toward autonomous vehicles. Our AI-based software architecture has been increasingly reliant on cameras to the point where radar is becoming unnecessary earlier than expected. As a result, our FSD team is fully focused on evolving to a vision-based autonomous system, and we are nearly ready to switch the US market to Tesla Vision. Now, if we look at the chart, Tesla is still trading within that 700 to 775 consolidation range, even after the post-market dip. That 700 level will be a key level to hold going into Tuesday. Just under that 700 level is the 50-day moving average, currently at 694, and also where the top of the orange channel converges at. So in my opinion, if Tesla continues to sell off tomorrow, we should keep an eye at that 694 to 700 level to see if it holds as support. On Tuesday, Tesla was down 4.5%, closing at $704.74 as the sell-off from Monday after hours continued into Tuesday. Tesla came close to testing support of the 50-day moving average and the top of the orange channel at its intraday lows touching 703. Tesla has been trading above the 50-day moving average for just over 2 weeks now, so if it breaks back below this level in the coming days, it would definitely make for a bearish outlook near term. A break below the 50-day moving average at 692 and Tesla could be headed down to retest the yellow trend line, which currently lies at around 660. Another bearish thing to note is the RSI indicator, which broke its uptrend going back to March 8. Though one positive thing to note is that the MACD indicator is still in an uptrend. On Wednesday, Tesla was down 1.5%, closing at $694.40. As anticipated, Tesla is clinging onto support of the 50-day moving average and the top of the orange channel at around 690. Tesla's streak of trading above the 50-day moving average is in jeopardy. A break below it and the outlook would be considered bearish in the near term. Bulls want to see Tesla take a stand at this level and hold above the 50-day moving average. Also note that it has just slightly broken out below the consolidation zone of 700 and 775. This may be foretelling of more selling to come. On Thursday, Tesla was down 2.5%, closing at $677. It's not looking too good for Tesla in the near term as it broke below the 50-day moving average and back into the orange channel. It also came close to testing the yellow support line, hitting 668 at its intraday lows. I'll look for it to retest this trend line at around 660, possibly by tomorrow. Despite the bearishness recently, we are still trading in a long-term uptrend, as you can see by the green channel. On Friday, Tesla was up 4.8%, closing at 709.44. It came close to testing support at the yellow trend line at its intraday lows at around 666. However, it did bounce to the upside, breaking back above the 50-day moving average and also breaking out of the orange channel. It's a positive sign that it was only below the 50-day moving average for one trading day. Tesla will need to build back its bullish momentum and stay above the 50-day moving average this time around in order for it to progress higher. It is also now trading back within the 700 to 775 consolidation zone. As mentioned before, Tesla is still trading in an uptrend if you look at the long-term green channel it's been trading within since August of last year. It is potentially putting in a higher low today, but we will need to continue to monitor the price action to confirm. To the downside, the 50-day moving average will act as support once again at around 685. A break below that, and we will need to watch the support level of the yellow trend line, which currently falls at around 655. If this level does not hold, we could see Tesla retest the bottom of the green uptrend channel at around 633. In my opinion, this is the absolute most bearish case scenario. Now to the upside, Tesla has some work to do. First, it will need to work its way back up to resistance at the top of the consolidation zone at 775. If it could break above that, the next key resistance level will come in at the top of the green channel at around 840. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, if Tesla can hold support at 685, we could see it run up to resistance at around 775. A breakout above that, and it could reach the next resistance level at 840. Bear case, Tesla has support at around 685. But if it breaks below this, we could see it fall to around 655. In an extremely bearish scenario, it could fall as low as 633. Now, on to Tesla news. Elon Musk to host Saturday Night Live with musical guest Miley Cyrus. Tesla's Elon Musk is set to host the May 8 edition of Saturday Night Live with musical guest Miley Cyrus. Musk is a rare example of a business mogul to be featured as host of the NBC late night institution. The news comes on the heels of Musk's SpaceX travel venture launching its second operational flight of its Dragon spacecraft to the International Space Station on Friday. Musk has become one of the most talked about business leaders of the past decade with his bold move in the electric car arena with Tesla. He has also been a champion of the plan to ultimately develop a market for space tourism with his SpaceX venture. Musk has been praised as a visionary for plowing ahead in sectors that were daunting to others, but his outsized compensation from Tesla and his personal behavior have at times drawn flack from investors. Among other activities, Musk's Boring Company is working on building a loop for automobile traffic under the Las Vegas Strip around the city's convention center. For all my Tesla vehicle owners, I don't know about you, but the closer we get to the FSD Beta release, the more excited I become. And this Elon tweet only magnifies this feeling. Elon tweeted, "Gating factor is achieving and proving higher safety with pure vision than with vision and radar. We are almost there. FSD Beta version 9.0 will blow your mind." Also, according to another tweet from Elon, we can expect limited FSD Beta version 9 to release in about 2 weeks. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.